Recently, customers from Italy purchased a bucky stand from our company. He made a very interesting question when he was purchasing. He asked if our bucky in radiology could put a grid. Then I sent the customer a photo of our bucky in radiology loaded with grid. So the question is, what can be put in new heat bucky in radiology? In fact, as long as the size is right, bucky in radiology can put doctor or cassette. And you can place the grid at the same time when placing the doctor and the cassette. For you to introduce a new heat electric type vertical bucky in radiology and K14DY. Product application medical X-ray chest radiography stand can be used with the medical X-ray machine for the checkup of head, chest, stomach, pelvic cavity etc. to get the exact diagnoses. Consists of column, cassette, travel rack and balance base. Configuration standard configuration column 1 set film box 1 set. If you want to know more about bucky in radiology, please contact our customer service.